In this short video tutorial, I'll explain two different types of oscillations in physics and how to determine the period of one complete oscillation. To calculate the period of a pendulum using the formula, you only need to measure the string's length. You can also measure the period by recording the time following these directions, then compare your measured period with the calculated one by determining the percentage of error. To calculate the period of a spring using the formula, you need more information such as the value of the hanging mass and the spring constant. And just like the period of a pendulum, you can also measure the period spring by recording the time following these directions, then compare your measured period with the calculated one by determining the percentage of error. Did you learn something from this short video and want more content like this? Share your thoughts in the comment below and thank you for watching.